Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Shrinkage is more than just a percentage on a report, it's a critical metric that shapes the entire call center ecosystem. From an operational perspective, it determines staffing accuracy, agent productivity, and real-time resource planning. Financially, it influences labor costs, ROI, and overall profitability. And when it comes to customer experience, shrinkage directly impacts wait times, service levels, and satisfaction scores. Understanding and managing shrinkage effectively is the key to balancing costs, performance, and customer expectations in a call center environment. Accurate staffing and workforce planning form the backbone of call center operations, and shrinkage plays a critical role in getting it right. Shrinkage directly determines how many agents need to be scheduled to maintain service levels. For example, if 20% of agent time is lost due to breaks, training, absenteeism, or other offline activities, you need 25% more staff than your base requirement to meet the same service targets. Without incorporating shrinkage into staffing calculations, forecasts quickly become unrealistic, leading to two extremes: understaffing, which causes longer wait times and service level breaches, or overstaffing, which drives up labor costs and reduces efficiency. By accurately factoring in shrinkage, workforce management teams can strike the perfect balance, ensuring optimal agent availability while controlling costs and maintaining service quality. Shrinkage has a direct and powerful impact on service levels and customer experience. High shrinkage means fewer available agents, leading to longer wait times, higher average speed of answer, and increased queue lengths. This often results in service level breaches, frustrated customers, and declining satisfaction scores. On the other hand, when shrinkage is kept low and managed effectively, agent availability remains balanced. Calls are answered quickly, service levels remain consistent, and customer satisfaction metrics like CSAT and Net Promoter Score see significant improvements. In short, controlling shrinkage is not just about numbers, it's about delivering a seamless, positive customer experience every time. Shrinkage management is at the heart of operational efficiency and cost control in a call center. When shrinkage is underestimated, staffing levels fall short. This means fewer agents are available to handle calls, leading to longer queues, rising overtime costs, and increased burnout among the existing workforce. The result? Higher attrition rates and declining service quality. On the other hand, overestimating shrinkage leads to excessive staffing. Too many agents on the floor translate to idle time, lower productivity, and a higher cost per call, all of which eat into profitability. The key lies in accurate shrinkage forecasting. By aligning staffing levels with real-time demand and productivity goals, workforce management teams can control costs, maintain agent well-being, and deliver consistent operational performance. Shrinkage plays a pivotal role in shaping agent productivity and managing workload balance. During periods of high shrinkage, fewer agents are left to handle incoming calls. This results in higher occupancy levels, where agents are constantly on calls with little to no breathing room. The stress from this relentless pace not only affects performance and service quality but also raises the risk of burnout and, ultimately, attrition. Conversely, when shrinkage is effectively managed, workloads are distributed evenly across the team. Agents experience less pressure, have time for quality interactions, and turnover costs decrease significantly. By maintaining the right balance, workforce management teams can enhance productivity, protect employee well-being, and ensure consistent customer service. Accurate shrinkage insights are essential for real-time operations and forecasting precision in any call center. Workforce management teams rely on shrinkage data to plan effectively for both planned activities, such as training sessions and team meetings, and unplanned events, including absenteeism and system downtime. But it doesn't stop there. Real-time tracking of shrinkage allows intraday staffing adjustments, ensuring the right number of agents are always available to handle call volumes. This proactive approach prevents service-level breaches and keeps operational performance on target, even when unexpected events occur. Shrinkage has a direct financial impact on call center performance and profitability. High shrinkage leads to higher costs per call and reduced revenue potential because of longer wait times, missed customer interactions, and inefficient use of labor resources. On the other hand, when shrinkage is accurately planned and managed, labor costs are optimized, overtime expenses are minimized, and call handling efficiency improves. This ensures a stronger return on investment for workforce operations while maintaining service quality and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.